Hey everybody, this is Rick starting over. We've got a rainy morning and probably a rainy day here in the desert in Arizona. For breakfast, we've got a little bit of a variation on a theme. Okay, I've got my oats cereal and I got my water in there and powdered creamer, which tastes really good. Tastes kind of like milk. And I got some banana in there this morning. Let's see if we can show you the banana there. There we go. Yeah, so let's check that out. Good. So yeah, blueberries last night, banana this morning. You see that? Got that banana in there. All right. This is Rick starting over. Thanks for sharing my breakfast with me. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. Until next time.